Having a look now at mole problems. Here we see a table, and what we need to do is find out what the value of A and B and so on, what those values are. Here we can see an example. So we've got a mass of 36 grams of carbon. How do we find out that there are 3 moles of carbon? Well, we divide through by the molar mass. Here we've got the number of atoms, 1.8 by 10 to the power of 24. How did we get that? Well, we got that by multiplying the number of moles by 6.022 by 10 to the 23. So this is what we've got to do now here for sodium to get our answer here, the number of moles. We've got 46. How do we convert grams to moles? We divide through by the molar mass. So this would be 46 divided by 23. Where does the 23 come from? Well, it comes from our periodic table. If we have a look at that at the back, we may be able to see sodium here is 23. So that then, as you can see, comes out as 2. So here is our answer supplied there. So in order then to find the number of atoms that we've got, well, it's this number times 6.022 by 10 to the power of 23, and that gives us the value there. For the next one, this one here, Al, is aluminium. And if we want to find out where aluminium is or what its molar mass is, again, we'd have to have a look at our periodic table. And here it is round about there. You might have to look at your own periodic table to see that it is 26.98. So 26.98 divided into the number of grams that we've got, which is 135. So when we divide through by that number, then we get this number. That's our number of moles. To convert moles to atoms, we multiply by 6.022 by 10 to the 23, and that gives us that figure there. The next one here, Ar is argon. Now, argon is in this position in the periodic table over here, and you can see from your own periodic table that its mass, its molar mass is 39.95 grams. So to work out the number of moles here, it would be 12 divided by 39.95, and presumably that comes out to equal that number there. Now, because we've got the number of moles, we can multiply that number by 6.022 and to get this number here. Our next substance here is helium. What we've got this time is the number of particles, and what we would need to do then in order to get the mass, first of all, or no, we can't get the mass straight away. What we need to do is work out the number of moles. Once we've got that done, then we can work out the mass. How do we do that? Well, we divide this figure by the number of particles in 1 mole, which of course is this number here. So we divide that into there, that comes out around about to be 0.5, so 0.5. If we've got that, we can find out the molar mass, the mass of 1 mole. How? We look at up in our periodic table. So for helium, we can see that it is up here that would be 4.003. So it's that comes out approximately to 2. So there we have the answers then to the first question.